Welcome to another video by Adeptis Academy. Today we're going to discover the tiny building blocks that make up everything around us. Are you ready to find out what's beneath the surface of all the objects you see and use? Have you ever wondered what things are made of? Whether it's your favorite toy, the chair you're sitting on, or even the air you breathe, everything is made up of something much smaller than you can see. Imagine every object as a giant puzzle. The pieces, tiny things called molecules. They fit together perfectly to make the whole picture. Molecules are like Lego bricks that make up everything, from the air we breathe to the water we drink. With enough molecules, you can build anything. Molecules are so tiny you can't see them, even with a magnifying glass. Scientists use special microscopes to see these building blocks. Just like you need lots of Lego bricks to build a castle, you need millions of molecules to make anything big and strong. Some things are soft, like cotton candy, and others are hard, like rocks. That's because of how the molecules are arranged and how tightly they stick together. So next time you hold a pencil or take a sip of water, remember, molecules are the tiny building blocks making it all possible. Let's talk about how we use tiny molecules to build bigger and better things. Molecules are the building blocks of everything, and when we combine them in clever ways, we get materials with amazing properties. This is the world of composites, where science and creativity meet to solve real-world problems. Sometimes we mix different molecules to create super strong materials called composites. These are designed to be tougher, lighter, or more flexible than anything made from just one ingredient. Scientists and engineers pick what to mix to make materials perfect for jobs like building airplanes or sports gear. It's like baking a cake. Flour, sugar, eggs, and butter are good alone, but together they make something new and delicious. The cake is soft and sweet, holding together in a way none of the ingredients could do alone. That's how composites work. Composites are made by joining two or more materials, each bringing its own strengths. The result is often lighter, stronger, or more durable than a single material. It's like giving our Lego creation superpowers, snapping together blocks that are super strong or super light. One example is fiberglass, used in boats, cars, and sports gear. It's made by combining glass fibers with plastic resin. The glass fibers make it strong while the plastic holds it together. This combo is lighter than metal but still tough. By mixing the right ingredients, we create materials that help us build faster cars, safer airplanes, and better sports equipment. Composites make our world stronger, lighter, and more exciting. But that's not all. The world of materials is even more fascinating than you might think. There's another amazing type of material called a polymer. Polymers are everywhere around us, and they play a huge role in our daily lives, even if we don't always notice them. Polymers are like long chains of molecules all linked together, forming structures that can be incredibly strong, flexible, or even stretchy. Imagine a necklace made of millions of tiny beads. That's kind of what a polymer looks like. Each bead is a molecule, and when you string them together, you get a long, repeating chain. These long chains give polymers some pretty cool properties. Depending on how the chains are arranged, polymers can be soft and bendy or tough and rigid. Some polymers, like rubber, are super stretchy. That's why you can pull a rubber band and it snaps right back into shape. Others, like plastic, can be molded into different shapes. This makes them perfect for making bottles, containers, and even parts for cars and airplanes. And some, like Teflon, are super slippery. That's why your eggs slide right off a non-stick frying pan. Polymers are everywhere. Your clothes are probably made of polymers like cotton or polyester. Polyester is a synthetic polymer, while cotton is a natural one, but both are made of long chains of molecules. The tires on your bike or car are made of rubber, which is also a polymer. This gives them the strength and flexibility they need to grip the road and keep you safe. And many toys are made of plastic, another type of polymer. From building blocks to action figures, polymers make toys durable and fun to play with. What makes polymers so useful is that we can design them to have specific properties. Scientists and engineers can tweak the structure of the chains to make materials that are just right for a particular job. We can make them strong or flexible, transparent or opaque, even conductive or insulating. This means polymers can be used in everything from flexible phone screens to tough helmets and even medical devices. It's like having a molecular toolbox that lets us create custom materials for all sorts of purposes. Thanks to polymers, we can solve problems, invent new products, and make life more convenient and exciting every day. Now that we know what composites and polymers are, let's see how they're used in the real world. Composites are often used in engineering to build things that need to be both strong and lightweight. For example, airplanes are often made with composite materials because they're much lighter than traditional materials like aluminum. This makes the plane more fuel efficient and better for the environment. Composites are also used to make things like wind turbine blades, racing cars, and even bulletproof vests. Their unique combination of strength and lightness makes them ideal for these demanding applications. Polymers are just as versatile as composites. They're used in everything from the clothes we wear to the phones we use. For example, polyester and nylon are two types of polymers that are commonly used to make fabrics. They're durable, wrinkle-resistant, and relatively inexpensive, making them popular choices for clothing, carpets, and upholstery. Polymers are also used to make a wide variety of other products, including plastic bottles and containers, which are lightweight, shatterproof, and recyclable. Food packaging is another important use. Polymers help keep our food fresh and safe to eat. In the medical field, polymers are used to make everything from syringes to artificial joints. And of course, they're found in electronics, from your smartphone's case to the circuit boards inside. It's honestly amazing how polymers are woven into so many aspects of our daily lives. For centuries, humans have relied on traditional materials like wood, metal, and stone to build things. And while these materials are still useful today, composites and polymers offer several advantages. For example, wood is a natural material that's strong and relatively lightweight, but it can rot, warp, or burn. Metals are strong and durable, but they can be heavy and susceptible to corrosion. Composites and polymers, on the other hand, can be designed to resist these problems. They're often more resistant to corrosion, weathering, and wear and tear than traditional materials. They can also be made to be incredibly strong and lightweight, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. One of the biggest benefits of using composites and polymers is that they can help us make things lighter and stronger. This is especially important in transportation, where reducing weight can lead to significant fuel savings and lower emissions. For example, using composite materials in airplanes can reduce their weight by up to 20%, which translates into significant fuel savings and reduced carbon emissions. But it's not just about weight. Composites and polymers can also be designed to be stronger and more durable than traditional materials. This means that products made with these materials can last longer, reducing the need for replacements and decreasing waste. As scientists and engineers continue to develop new and innovative composites and polymers, the possibilities for these materials are truly endless. We're already seeing amazing advancements in areas like self-healing materials. Imagine a world where cracks in your phone screen could repair themselves. Scientists are developing polymers that can do just that. There's also biodegradable plastics. Plastic pollution is a major problem, but researchers are developing new types of polymers that can break down naturally in the environment. And let's not forget flexible electronics. Imagine a world where your phone could bend and flex without breaking. Flexible electronics are already becoming a reality thanks to advancements in polymer science. These are just a few examples of the exciting innovations happening in the world of composites and polymers. From the planes we fly into the clothes we wear, composites and polymers are already transforming our world. And as we continue to unlock the secrets of molecules and their amazing properties, we can look forward to a future filled with even more incredible materials and technologies. So, the next time you marvel at a lightweight bicycle, a wind turbine towering overhead, or even a simple plastic water bottle, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of molecules at work. They're the tiny building blocks that are shaping our world, making it a more sustainable, efficient, and exciting place to live.